Impanyifo se obusa for way on yira kwan ade no hwe na wontimi nya busa nipa ode ade ne ba no nkyere okwan no wate ase esa se wodi akona reso wankasa obetimi aya obeye saa no akwa yira eno na my name me no ka say free senior high school wasi placement no aye buachi bidin me no ka say wo ko piemu e wo ya akra na to like busua nipa akogu ho no because of school placement no ese wani ensa o ka kire na ni nyina ne say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aban no free education no onim ho maachi eno nti ontimi enya cheche papa mfa mboa e ma free education no school placement na nya very easy send na ko father parents no oye no na busua Ghana fo bi e kira adwun na obedi nsema to dwa o kire mo say John Dramani Mahama enkonko je futuo fe free doctor mo ba omi awo no na saa futuo no ebusua send osika nsem no uti a oyembe show na mo na so na record message say hi Ghana Nsem TV subscribe to channel on fama yo here like it na jaw comment or comment section busuya yambo wure mne yankomra
for ye nuanu mandisi for yeseremo ade de unim ya o consult omo munim ya eye e ma much knowledge ideas about it ye hwe free FSHS munim ho mache ye nuanu NPP for ene de ba enti omo no they are well equipped. They know what they used to do to sustain the free FSHS. Enti se munim ya mon consulted the former education ministers, Honorable Matthew Poku Prempe, Napo, and the former education minister, Honorable Yao Educhu. Se unima ubisa ni achero because den and a free SHS and I say a kwanya mofa so a dear good free SHS. No. If we say obi wo wale o de ne koton kran o so nko ede obi free ntotro so o de ne koton kran o so nko ede obi free ahafo mem na o de ne koto Cape Coast o se onko ede e kwan ben na akra no be fa so survive. Besides osan ebes obe lack control, lack of parental care or control enti eno so betimi ama akwala no ebe ending life miserably because obeye ade a ono ankasa pe obi free baby na mde da kwato baby na mama na ede yete ya na muka kire se ma introduce then the mode free private schools bebre still na private schools bebre mode call your friend say mode aba be ka free SHS schools na mo and so still na mo free schooler ye ma yo mode na munjai se mo prima koma na mun pese mo beye ya mo de say eniema no mun consult yo mo no mun kire mo kwan a mo fa so implement free SHS because the de ye ntwe nipa bodompem akwakogu akra friends education ministry or education office mo pay school placement because obiam pese na call abet trase dependent friends independently onya control or care from mpanyinfobi and our teachers any idea about end and crown life miserably am on my basa nti ye nipa ofo akobɔ dompem ekope school placement and this is for premature yesterday mo senye kwan a mo fa so dey go free SHS there because the konde anode
me say ewiase ne ye wono se wo ye ho minim a se ya ne wiem oya hu minim metimi aye oh forget me share me only the metimi aye me hey me eno ena ama NDC ene John Dramani Mahama me ne woka say omuntimi consult obia because said omusu twa omo no opposition no one na go consult no we you go consult who the way you brag about things one na go consult no obia no ma betimi go consult no and that is where we are today. So ebusia, let's talk about free education, right? Currently, schools aba. Now a lot of people are complaining about schools go on money but in school, but if you are to Kumasi, no nya school at Temali. Temali no so nya na school nya in day school. Temali o free go school at Temali day school. Me say the agenda no ma set ni ehu. The agenda no ma set you. Now onim you can send be former finance minister under Mahama the first term no. I say the NDC cannot continue free education until they will start it step by step. Now step by step then they say on best start say omo take boarding on call boarding on bet omo so ti e bet ti omo so before you realize na omo ti ama nipa na call boarding so ati na free free education na omo twa mo de ba no kwatri be found to man na what any din no catch we no catch so no dey private schools will become no way. No, so the private schools ever become way you. Me say government schools in Impo no untimium, but I catch also the private schools become and I also know UGD say and promoting the private schools become abebua me baby aye kama. Many workers say school placement in the bar why not the Banya school or private school. Catch them. School placement in Bayi. Why not the bar any school or private school be catch them. Obanya school or private school ana? No. What I say? Obanya school or private school ye, but your dada say the private schools have become home and I have be any year na first talk no you be jet from some near mama duani papa and na oh bro it be JDM. It be JDM where they talk about. You know, be anybody keke. JDM. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The man who has been president of the Republic of Ghana before. The man who has been a vice president before. He's the one we are talking about. And we know his track record. We say, what I've heard, Krampono, and they say, some people are paying 17,000 cedis. 17,000. Send a be on Benya. School mo kwan was school am pay mama ba no 17,000 bro 17,000 Ghana cedi. It is not an easy tax as well. It is not an easy tax. Cra. And I think the government should do something about it because it's becoming too much and it's becoming not becoming. But that's what you guys actually went and voted for. So you guys should be okay. I don't think anyone should be complaining, but you guys should go to the NPP, ask them how they did it, how they started. And we see a share the BRC. Now I'm on train, send a bear. Move me, I do ya problem piano anything. And babium not be on so bad. A beton, when they're very simple. We can't idea was say you have a lot of issues about it. Very simple. Just go and see them. Normal how they started everything, how they implemented the policy and how they went about everything. So that we can solve this problem once and for all. Then enjoy discussing this issue and move to another thing. Very, very simple. Alright? Ebusuya Hagan and Sam TV. Me am just I promise the blogger. Ebusuya o share right up da misru ya. Yes sister be friend say Gertrude a year a job block clause say school placement a big girl 17,000 cedis. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni NDC abani person twa free education mu. Na omuntime nka no kran kire awofo ne say ye pese ye twam. Eno ntine de omaye ne say se wo ba etitemhalia ne ama ni school e wo voter region ne ama ni day. Day no oba no okwa na kire say automatically no. E was okwa high dan ana hostel e de ma no. Sa nipa no enye free education okwo o tua school fees papa. Because ekufa do nyanse mu no o say fa ho ne baby a wo free say be ma o day student unless e bia meti asama nkete metu school asama nkese ene e ma o day student na emom no say o free akire na o choose school na onyankwa ade a ma o boarding school e ma o day student no e school a e wo area what inteku at the time no ye say o choose schools na choose school a as I choose boarding schools na when san to school e wo area ana o constituencies o constituency a wo school ho no mo a to school wo no na be choose na say day school. But John Dramani Mahama episode twa education free education mo nti no o mbi omode nam na mo awofo no we lesson to you people next time mo ko to aba mo ko ka say yezu zabium.